Hi friends, today I'm showing you the iPhone charging cable. This is the lightning cable used for the iPhones to get it charged. This is a pack of 5 cables, and you can see the packing, the different sizes are fit in different size there. And when you see that there is a 2-pack, 1-pack, 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 so there is a 2 size for 1. So I'm just opening the one for the 3 feet one, and you can see it's like the silver color, and the USB is a good shape, and this is the lightning cable used for the iPhone charging. And these called to be fast charging cables, and let me open you and show it. This is the braided cable, strong enough, and then there will be no cut and things. So this is a 3 feet cable, and I can see like the size is good, and this the braided one, the quality fine is good. And when you see the close enough, so the lightning cable, so at the joint there is a plastic thing that helps like in the bending and the tearing of these cables. So from this side you can see, and it's pretty strong. The same thing from the USB side, and this thing will go in USB. This is the USB 2.0, so it's pretty much the same one. Now I'm putting this cable in my iPhone and show you that if it is good for charging or not. So here it goes. I don't see any problem in putting it in the charging port, and this is the USB port that goes in the USB. And you can see the charging start instantly. So mine is say 44% charged, so still charging, no issues. And I see some cables like which are old, and then when you try to put it inside the new phones, updated phones, it start blinking. So I don't see such issue with this cable. And as is a 5-pack, there's a different sizes, all the same quality as I shown one before. So the quality wise is same, only the length is different, and the port and everything is same. So there's a 6 feet and 10 feet cables with a different size. So this is the all size fits, different sizes for different length of the cables. So overall it's nice charging cables.